Attract good luck into your life. Bring peace. Bring good luck into your life. If you are a lady or you are someone that is not progressing, you will always face bad luck. After watching these videos, you are going to see your life changing for good. You're going to see God manifesting you into a new being. Yes, I want to teach you how you can attract good luck into your home. This same work, you can use it to attract peace into your home. If you are a married person or you are into relationship and you always face quarrel, problem in that relationship, this work will also bring peace into your home, peace into your life. You're going to see love coming into your marriage. You're going to see love coming into your life. You're going to see your life changing for good. You're going to see the universe rebranding your life, rebranding your marriage, rebranding you as a person. Things you have not been experiencing before, like love, attraction, good luck, good things from the universe, you start experiencing it. These same herbs that I want to show you how to use it to attract luck also cleanse your aura. It also remove toxicness from you. It also stop evil manipulation from you. No talks, okay, maybe what did they happen for your house, for your marriage, not the of God, and now the evil people, they try to bring quarrel, problem into your marriage. This work will help you stop them also. You're going to come back and tell me, boss mom, since I started one particular work in my life, since I start burning it, since I start yelling it, since I start taking it around my house, my life have changed. You're going to see good luck coming to your house. If you're in a house, you are not progressing, good things is not coming to the house. After this work, you're going to see good things coming to the house. I'm talking about rosemary. It's called rosemary herbs. This is the first teaching that I'm doing direct about rosemary herbs. Like the video I did yesterday, I said on a good day, I'm going to teach you a lot of things you can do with rosemary herbs. This is the herbs. I will also put a picture here. If you want to bring love into your life, you want to bring prosperity into your life, you want to get divine protection in your life and in your family, in your home, use these herbs. You also want to do purification, like I said before, to remove toxicness, remove bad energy, remove bad aura from your life, from your home. This is what you need. If you're the type you will be praying for the fruit of the womb, add this to your prayer points. Like when praying, burn it and call on the universe. Trust me, in due time, you're going to come and tell me, boss mom, after this work, I conceive. Like I start praying, start adding it to my daily prayer, like incense. It invokes love. You want your love to be romantic. You want your husband, your man to be all over you. Learn to do this, okay? You're going to come back and tell me, boss mom, since I learned to burn rosemary in my house, added, incorporated with my other spiritual things, my life have changed, okay? Now get these herbs, this rosemary. Now you know you are facing toxicness. You are in a house that you are not progressing. Good things are not coming. You have tried your best, even in your business place. Good things are not coming. Go to a spiritual shop, buy camphor. It's called camphora, okay? The white camphora, like a tablet, they round camphora. Buy it. Then on your incense burner, on it, light it up. As you are praying, be putting the rosemary inside, be praying, taking it around your house, barefooted, be praying and saying, God Almighty, restore my house, let good things start manifesting. We don't have job, I want my husband to have job, I want my wife to have job. Like, pray what you want, what you know that is not happening in that house as you move in. Start praying it, start calling on God, calling on the universe, calling on whatsoever you believe on, to please restore the house back. Continue burning this, harden it, praying daily. You can do it in the night, you can do it in the afternoon. Always do it. Burn it as your house incense to pass it around your house. You're going to see changes in that house. Another way for you to use rosemary, you want to bring love, attraction, and everything to you. When you want to sleep in the night, after your spiritual cleansing, now you want to burn incense, you want to communicate to the universe. Gather some rosemary like this, okay? Find IoT, light them up, make it a burn one. You can use candle to burn it, okay? Make it a burn, Okay, you can use candle to burn it. On a good day, I'll teach you how I burn my rosemary. Maybe you don't know idea on how to burn it. Okay, so you just light them up, burn them, take them, pass your ass as incense, just the leaf. Okay, they get dry one, they get fresh one, and this one are the dry one. Okay, and this one you see for the screen and the fresh one. Now burn it and say what you want. I need love, I want love, I want this, whatsoever you want. Just burn it. As you are burning it, be praying. Make sure your window is open. I've done a lot of teaching on how to burn your things so you can pass the message direct to the universe. When burning, it don't have to be inside your room alone. Okay, you have to open your windows so smoke can go out. Okay, so that the smoke will go outside to pass your message. All right, yes. Now when burning it, pray your heart desire. Pray for love, pray for peace of mind. This is just like your incense, okay? Just the same way you are burning incense to pray. You are burning a fresh one yourself, okay? Most times I like buying it fresh, then keep it myself. I like buying it fresh, then keep it myself to dry. This one are direct from me, okay? I buy them fresh, keep them for us. It dry, okay? Buy the dry one. It all depends on how you like your spiritual work. Like me, I like to get everything on my own. Like, do them on my own without no mistake. Burn rosemary herbs in your house. Pray for peace. Pray for love. Pray for protection. Pray for purification. Let's assume you feel some evil spirits around you. Maybe you wake up, you get bad dream, you feel some strange things around you. Just take some rosemary, light up your candle, use the candle till they light them up, make it for cash. Okay, now when you light them up, as they burn, begin to purify yourself. Begin to see God Almighty removing every negativity the enemy is sending to you. Begin to see God Almighty, they remove every toxicness from your life. Begin to see God Almighty, they purify you, they bless you. Just pray. As you're praying, you are connecting yourself. Don't just no. As you're praying, you're connecting yourself, saying what you want, how you want it, calling on God to be with you, and you're going to see changes in your life. These are the things you can do with rosemary. A lot of spiritual things you can do with rosemary. On my other video, I'll teach you how you use rosemary to separate your husband's side shake. Okay, yes, these herbs can separate. Okay, it's to remove bad aura. So if your husband gets side shake, you can use rosemary to banish it. Only burning it in your house, you're going to see your husband behaving well, your wife behaving normal. You're going to see things manifesting like never before. Thank you all so much. I remain your box mom. Do not forget to subscribe and follow for more spiritual teaching. If there's any spiritual video or spiritual teaching you're confused about, you want me to make a video, you can always tell me. I'll make a video guide on it. Thank you all so much. I remain your box mom. See you on my next spiritual video. Bye guys.